Morning, this is a permanently limited PayPal account. As you can see, the fund on this PayPal account has been withdrawn, and I will show you this one. It's not through bank or through card. This is the amount that was withdrawn. It's through letter of authorization. PayPal, mostly in Africa, they will request for letter of authorization if you open PayPal account either from Nigeria or another country. PayPal request you to provide a letter of authorization and some other document. That's what's done here. As you can see, the date is 21 for 2025. That was when the fund was transferred. You have a PayPal account that was permanently limited, and PayPal requested for you to send a letter of authorization, or you are unable to withdraw it. I can help you withdraw it. Let me click on it, and you will see as you can see, here is it. The account was completed. You can see it. 577 fund was successfully removed from this very PayPal account after 180 days. You can see the money, the total net amount of money. You can see the total fee, gross amount. So you can see the PayPal balance, funding source. You can see that the fund was withdrawn by PayPal themselves. That's why you see PayPal account here, the customer detail. Here is the PayPal account the fund was sent to. If you have any issue with your PayPal account, you can reach us to us. You see our phone number and Telegram contact in the video description. You can reach us to us. Waiting for you. Have a nice day. Bye for now. Good day. This is permanently limited PayPal account funds withdrawal. Do you have a permanently limited PayPal account that is over 180 days already? We can help you withdraw the funds. Is your permanently limited PayPal account already over 180 days or 6 months, but the funds still can't be withdrawn? We can help you withdraw the funds like this PayPal account. Bank account has been linked to this Canadian PayPal account. As you can see it here. Here's the details of the bank account. It has been confirmed. So here is the notification from PayPal. You can see it. Your PayPal account is verified and your sender limit were removed, even though the account is permanently limited. Let's go to the PayPal account. As you can see here in the PayPal account, we are successfully linked the bank account to the PayPal account. We are ready to withdraw the fund. As you can see, the account is permanently limited. 180 days has passed, so we want to withdraw the funds from this PayPal account. Everything will be done. We click on transfer the funds. As you can see, this is the amount of the money we want to withdraw. It's Canada funds, so the money is being successfully transferred. You see 555 and 10 cents was the total amount of the money on this PayPal account. This account belongs to someone that contacted us through the YouTube video as you are watching it. So as you can see it, the balance is now 0. Let's go to the email address. As you can see, we are transferring the money from your PayPal to your bank account, Bella, and the money within 1 to 3 days it will be in the bank account, mostly on a working day, within 24 hours. That's all for now. If you have issue with your PayPal account, you can see here is the notification. You can see the amount. If you have issue with your PayPal account, you can contact us here. Any form of PayPal account, either USA, UK, South Africa. If you are in Nigeria, you can contact us with your PayPal account. If it's over 180 days and you are unable to withdraw your funds, we will help you withdraw your money. As you can see it, money has been transferred. The checking account that we link to the PayPal account. You can see